Hey guys, my name is Ashley Kaniva and I am the creator of Little Explorers Big World, and I just wanted to give you a quick run through of the Mexico unit, which is available for free download on the website. I know a lot of you are going to be studying Mexico more with Cinco de Mayo coming up, so I just wanted to give you a little preview. Each unit I create has this little Let's Explore page that has just a little overview of the currency used, the official language, the locations, some fun facts, and then some resources that you can find in your library or even on Netflix to just help you in your exploration of that country. For this unit, I have, this is actually in every unit too, I have a little photo page which has the flag, and then I try to include a picture of some of the people, some kind of architectural landmark of some sort, some of the food, and then I'll always have one or two words in the official language there as well. Do you remember how to say hello in Spanish? Do you remember?
Bonjour.
That's French. Hola.
Hola.
Hola. There's also a sensory cactus craft in here, which the instructions are right here on this page, and this is the actual template that you can use to make a spiky cactus with your child. There's also a guacamole recipe, again, more sensory fun for your kid to be able to help you out with, make something yummy for a Cinco de Mayo celebration at your own home. I include a butterfly action song, which, do you want to tell us, that's not a monarch right there, but what's special about the monarch butterflies? What do they do? Yep, you've got some in your hand. Do you remember what they do?
Yeah.
What do they do?
They fly to Mexico.
They fly to Mexico every year. There's a massive migration of monarch butterflies to Mexico, so I've included a bit about the butterfly life cycle in this unit, as well as this monarch matching game.
Are those the different chrysalises? Why are they different colors?
Well, because it's a different kind of butterfly, buddy. Let's talk about that in just a second, okay? This is the monarch matching game, so you've got a bunch of monarch cards and the little caterpillar cards, so you can match the caterpillar with the dots to the butterfly with a number. You can also play with them sequentially, so they can put them in order from the fewest dots to the most dots, with the numbers in order. Lots of different ways to use that. This, thank you very much, is the skeleton sugar skull shape scavenger hunt, which is a mouthful. And I colored this one differently, but you can ask them to find all the hearts and color them red, find the circles and color them yellow. So it's a great way for them to identify those shapes and get some fine motor in with coloring as well. And this last little bit right here is the Mexico step pyramid puzzle, which I've already printed out and laminated. And I found these little clear Velcro dots that were on Amazon. I can link up to them. And I just use those to put on there so that it sticks, it's easy to store, and you don't lose the pieces, because Lord knows we lose pieces of things all the time. So that helps it stick on there. And yeah, so that's the majority of the things that are involved in the Mexico unit, which again is free for download on littleexplorersbigworld.com. And one last thing that I will show you here is the book, Exploring Color in Mexico. This is the second in the series that I'm putting out on exploring color in different countries. And really there's three different things that I want to do with these books. The first is to establish some color recognition skills. They're very simple pattern books, so that even a pre-reader or early reader can go through, they can pick up on the pattern and they can read it themselves, which is a wonderful skill for them to be developing at this age. Please let go of my hair. And then also all of the pictures that are in here were taken in Mexico, and just give a little bit of insight into Mexican culture, the natural beauty, and just really beautiful images for that color recognition in there. So thank you so much for watching this video on the free printable Mexico unit from littleexplorersbigworld.com. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're able to download the unit and use it, that your little explorers enjoy it. Please let me know in the comments what you thought, and if you have any suggestions for future materials. Again, this book is Exploring Color in Mexico. It's available on Amazon.com. in print and as an ebook. I also have Exploring Color in Ireland up as an ebook right now, but there will be more books and more units to come on Little Explorers Big World. Thanks so much. So do you like learning about cultures?
Yeah.
What's your favorite country we've studied so far?
Mexico.
Mexico? Cool. Do you know how to say hello in Mexico? They speak Spanish. How do you say hello in Spanish?
Hola.
Hola. How do you say hello in... What are you doing? How do you say hello in Chinese? Do you remember?
Ni chao.
Close.
Ni chao.
Not ni chao. What is it?
Ni chao.
Ni hao.
Ni hao.
How do you say hello in French?
Bonjour.
Very good.